is Crystal with SafetyAuditPrep.com, and in this video, I will be showing you how to use your SafetyAuditPrep.com dashboard. The dashboard is your greatest tool as a company owner or manager. This is your go-to place to not only onboard new drivers quickly, but also be able to receive notifications when drivers haven't completed tasks and what those specific documents or tasks are. I know that the information on this page might seem like a lot, but once you become familiar with it, you will see how simple and efficient it can be for you. Let's start with the dashboard guide. This is going to be your best friend. As soon as you log in, you can see all of the primary things you will want or need to do with the software. There is more to this software than the items listed here. However, we did feel that these were your primary navigational features. And you can also navigate the software anywhere by selecting the shortcuts arrow button in the top right corner. This is a more complete list of quick navigational features. We tried to keep things as simple as possible. So the button description here is going to take you to the exact place you need to be to get that done. Each of these button descriptions here in the dashboard guide has its own how-to video, so it will give you a more in-depth description on how to navigate and complete each of these actions. I will not be explaining each of these in this particular video, so please go to those videos and watch each how-to. Below this, you will see 4 blue boxes. Each one gives you a snapshot of your current active employees, inventory, documents that are in draft, which means not completed status, and enrolled employees into the DOT Drug and Alcohol Consortium. This is just a quick mental reminder to you to add or remove drivers or get on top of your employees to complete documents. Below this, you will see your dashboard calendar. Your employee due dates will automatically be calendared here. Also, you can create new events by entering an event title, then pressing the Add button, and then above here, the event will pop up, and then you can drag it to whichever day the event needs to be placed. Once you drag and drop your event, you can click on it to edit. You can select the start time and stop time, add any notes, and set the reminder for 12 hours, 1 day, or 1 week, then press Save. This reminder will appear in your attention required notifications. To the side here are tasks. This can be used to send a task to one or many of your drivers all at once. If you select the Add Task button, it will lead you to a dialog where you can create a new or use a preset task. You would enter the title, the required completion date, the information or message about the task. You can attach a document if needed, and then you can choose to send to one or many users. You would then add the task. It's not going to add it right now because I needed to add a new message. The next section is going to be attention required. This is going to be your constant detailed reminder of what's missing, completed, or coming up soon that is going to require your attention. Any due dates will also come through here, listing the driver's name and what is specifically required of them to complete. This will also notify you of the calendared events based on the criteria you set. To the right here is your registration management. With SafetyAuditPrep.com, we give you the tools to manage your legal filings yourself, but we also give you space to upload your documents and keep track of the due dates for you. As you upload each of the documents under the top red Legal tab, they will be marked as complete. Then at the bottom, it just gives you the auto-calculated date here of your next required biennial update. Check out our other videos on how to manage each of your legal filings or find our video on how to pay your invoice.